In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a virtual environment in Python. To start, you type Python and then -m. venv is the library that we will use and the name of your virtual environment. I'm going to call it Django. Once you hit enter, it's going to start creating it. It might take a few seconds for it to appear on your screen. Once the new line appears, you're going to start the virtual environment. I'm going to put the name of the virtual environment first, script, and then activate. And you will see that this green Django in parentheses appear before your directory. So that means your virtual environment is active. To install Django, you're going to do pip install Django.